Academic Vocabulary Quiz 9. For today's academic vocabulary quiz, all the words come from the popular speaking activity, the Alligator River Story. To see words in full context, click on the link below. How many of these words do you know? For the following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, definition, a place where people live. The correct answer is house. You will have 4 seconds to answer each question. These are general definitions. Beware of the context in which words are used. 1. Put in order. For example, from first to last. Rank. 2. Land bordering a lake, ocean, or large river. Shore. 3. Quick, timely, without delay. Prompt. 4. Large carnivorous reptile that lives in water, similar to a crocodile. Alligator. 5. Throw, toss, or discard. Cast. 6. Agree, assent to, approve. Consent. 7. Journey, trip by ship. Voyage. 8. Past tense of seek. Sought. To view with scorn, disgust. Disdain. 10. Line where the earth meets the sky. Horizon. 11. Come before. Occur earlier. Precede. 12. Feeling of empathy, understanding kindness. Compassion. 13. Depressed, broken-hearted, downcast. Dejected. 14. Unfortunate or difficult situation. Plight. 15. Romantic, sexy, related to love. Amorous. 16. Deep suffering, grief, or sadness. Woe. 17. Show or prove to be right. Justify. 18. Cruel, harsh, severe, mean. Brutal. 19. Affair, caper. Adventurous action usually considered risky or bad. Escapade. 20. Be filled with, overflow. Team. Thanks for watching. If you like these quizzes, please give us a thumbs up in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.